Even if you don't live in the USA, the UK, or any English-speaking country, it's still possible to speak like a native by practicing shadowing. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to practice English together. We're using a technique called shadowing. So what is shadowing? Shadowing means you listen to me and then you repeat exactly what I say. You copy my pronunciation, you copy my rhythm, you copy everything. This is one of the most powerful ways to improve your English. It helps your speaking, it helps your listening, it helps your brain think in English. Today's topic is very useful for your daily life. Are you ready? Let's begin. Remember, listen first, then repeat after me. Let me tell you about a typical morning. Every day I wake up at 7 o'clock. The first thing I do is open the window. Fresh air makes me feel more awake. Then I go to the bathroom and wash my face. After that, I make a simple breakfast. Usually I have toast with butter and a cup of coffee. While I eat, I check my phone for messages. This routine helps me start the day in a good way. Life is full of small decisions. Every day we have to choose many things. What should I wear today? What should I eat for lunch? Should I walk or take the bus? These decisions seem small, but they're important. They affect how we feel throughout the day. When you make good choices, you feel more confident. When you make quick decisions, you save time and energy. Learning a new skill takes time and patience. You cannot become an expert in one day, but you can improve a little bit every day. This is exactly what you're doing right now. You're practicing English by shadowing. If you do this for 10 minutes every day, you will see results. Your pronunciation will get better. Remember, small steps lead to big changes. Great job today. You finished the practice. I hope this was helpful for you. Try to practice shadowing every day. It really works if you stay consistent. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.